Come with me to feed the birds. I forgot to film filling up all the buckets, so I'll let you see me put all the vitamins in their food. Now we're going to let the turkeys out, along with some of my Serrano chickens. My baby ducks are in here somewhere. Actually, I think they were outside for that part. This is Turks and Caicos. They both like to follow me with the feed bucket to see what I'm feeding everybody else. Now we're going down to my chicks. Most of them are bantams, so they're pretty small. They love their picnic table. And of course, the turkeys had to follow to see if they were getting different food than them. Now, onto the quail pens. Now, gotta collect the rent. This is Turks. He likes to follow me everywhere. Now, over to the emus, who love to attack my feet because I have buckles on my shoes and shiny things really just get them going. Now I have to water my ducks. This is my Drake. He loves it the most. And there's the baby ducks and the Serrano hens. This are the waters I fill up for the ducks to play in outside of the pools that I already have outside. Those are my vulture chickens that like to eat all the food the quails drop. That's my Polish chicken. My son likes to call him Albert Einstein.